How to create an online store without any products for free. No drop shipping, none of that stuff. Let's take a look at this. All right, so this is a platform called Kit, K-I-T. And what we're going to do here is affiliate marketing. You're going to promote other people's products, drive people to your kits. And we're going to take a look at this real quick. Basically, if you don't know what affiliate marketing it is a way of promoting other people's products and making commission on those sales. You don't have to do any customer support. You don't have to do any shipping, any of that stuff. You just promote the products. They sell themselves to your buyers, and you get a commission from those different companies. One of the biggest ones is probably Amazon. There's thousands of affiliate programs out there that you can join. I'm a member of a bunch, not thousands, but many. So this is a website called Kit, as I said. This guy here is doing like gaming PC build. That's a kit there. I'm just gonna take a look at mine. I've only been using this for about a week or so, so I've only have a few kits that I build up in the making money online niche here. A couple of different products, 10 products I have there. Affiliate marketing, 2 products I have there. Cash apps, a couple of different products I have there. 5 products. And as you can see, there's the view count here. 249 people have viewed this kit. And we'll go into more statistics later, or analytics, if you will. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a kit or a product. So here's some other ones I have: hip hop sample packs, guitar pedals, looper pedals, and so on and so forth. So all you do is just sign up, make a free account. There'll be links in the video description below to the website. For example, here I'm going to go to my guitar pedal kit here, and we're just going to do a demo of making a listing here. I'm just going to add to this kit. Now I already created the kit. It's really easy. You just go up here, create kit. Oh, this is adding to the kit. But if you're on the other page, it goes to the create a new kit. There you go. Create a new kit, and you just put your kit name and the description, and that's pretty much it. Then you could add photos and stuff later and stuff like that. So here are this guitar pedal kit that I made. I have a couple of guitar pedals in here. So I'm going to show you real quick. We're just going to add a product. Now you could do this 2 ways. You could search for the product, because a lot of these products might be in here already, or you could paste your link. Now I'm going to do one for my affiliate program for Amazon. I already have the link right here. The product might be in here already. It probably is, just because I know this guitar pedal's been around for a while. Yeah, there it is. There's the one I'm promoting. For the purpose of this demo, I'm not going to get too involved here. We're just going to put the name of the product, and we'll copy this because it already has the description. I'll go back and put more description here later. And you could add your own photos if you want to. You could change the photos. It's just pulling the photos from the different sites and stuff like that. So watch. Add to kit. Bam. I'm done. I already have my affiliate link in there, and it's in my kit. So I'm going to go back later and write some more different description stuff on it and stuff like that. But I'm also going to go in here, because you could put a video in here. Let's see. Get this out of the way here. So here's my product in my kit now, and I'm going to edit this product real quick, and I'm going to add a video. Now I have another YouTube channel where I do a lot of guitar pedal stuff and stuff like that, and music stuff. So let's go find my link to the video here. Okay, so this is another YouTube channel I have, and there's the pedal I want to do. I want to put that video link in there. So let's go to the video, get the share link. Go back to my kit, add the video, and voila. And then, like I said, I'll change the story here, because you kind of want to write something about it here. Write your story about this product, why you like it, and so forth, stuff like that. I'm just going to save that. Now, I also have another kit for guitar looper pedals. So this one being a looper pedal, I'm just going to go here to add to another kit. I already have the kit created. Looper pedals, I'm just going to add it there as well. Add to kit. and you're pretty much done with that. So you could add, multiple products to different kits depending on the relevancy of them all. Now, there are some other things in here that are cool, like the analytics. I can see, okay, so last 30 days, my kits have been viewed 162 times and 590 product views in the last 30 days. Now, I only joined the site, I guess, on December 11th, because you can see my analytics here. So it hasn't even been that long since I've joined the site. And I have a spike here, and then it goes up and down. Little drop today and the previous day. So these are my different kits that will be getting views. Here's my product views, because sometimes people will be on the site and they're going to see your product, so they may not necessarily even see the kit. They're just going to see the product, as you can see here, with product views. And you can promote these on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Well, I guess not Instagram, but other places like that, social networks. So it's pretty cool. And then that's it. You have an online store without spending any money, without having your own website, without having any of your own products. And it's really cool. Now, let me show you some other things real quick here. If you do have Amazon accounts already, you go to the monetize thing. If you want to put your Amazon links in here, your code in here, you could put your tracking in there, so all your kits will automatically have the Amazon code in there. And there's different countries here, U.S. tracking, because if you know about the Amazon, if you're in different countries, you have to have different accounts for each country. So this will do that, automatically. So you can just put the Amazon link in there, and they're automatically going to have your affiliate link work for you. And there's some other places, eBay, Newegg, B&H Video, and stuff like that. So it's really cool. Again, it's just a really quick way to create a store online and get going with affiliate marketing and just making some money. Now, I do recommend having your own website as well and doing other techniques for your affiliate marketing adventures, if you will, because, sites like this are awesome, but they could change the rules at any time. You never know what's going to happen. But I've been using it for about a week now or so, and we can keep adding products onto it on a regular basis. So anyways, you can check out my other kits here, making money online. Some of my #1 recommendations for making money online, as I have here. And check it out. So pretty cool. Talk to you soon.